at a time when most people expected Prime Minister Modi to be announcing some refinements to his national lockdown strategies, Lockdown 4, he pulled yet another rabbit out of his hat and announced a 20 lakh crore rupee stimulus package. That's 10% of India's GDP. This is a number which almost nobody could have thought of. I think the most optimistic number that people were talking about was 10 lakh crore rupees. And the Prime Minister, in his characteristic style, talked about this being a 20 lakh crore package for 2020. And if I may add, he delivered it at around 20 hours. Yeah. Now, the final package is not going to be 20 lakh crore rupees of expenditure being made. This includes the liquidity which is being created by the RBI over the last few months. So I think the final package is probably going to be about in the region of about 10 to 12 lakh crores. And out of that, some part will be in the form of, there'll be more open market operations by the RBI. There'll be a 3 to 4 lakh crore partial credit guarantee, which means that the government of India will guarantee loans of that amount given by banks. So if the loans go bad, the government of India will pay it. So by the time you look at this, the actual amount of money that will be pumped in will be about, maybe 3 to 4 lakh crore rupees, which will be a disappointment compared to the 20 lakh crore that the Prime Minister promised. But I think what's important about this package is, one, that it's come. Secondly, the liquidity was required. And most important, the Prime Minister has actually promised a whole lot of reforms that will go along with this package. So he has said, for example, there will be labor reform, there will be land reforms, there will be agricultural marketing reforms. Now, to be fair, the Prime Minister has promised a lot of this in the past as well. What makes this different? Well, what makes this different is that this time around, you've actually seen 5 or 6 state governments who've made a beginning on labor reforms, on land reforms. So I think the atmosphere this time is more, it's more conducive. I think the country is back. We've got our back to the wall in the way that we had it in 1991, and I think India reforms best when they've got their back to their wall. So I think there's a lot to hope for. The Prime Minister actually gave examples of how in the past, whether it was Y2K or whether it was the earthquake in Kutch, or whether it is now with the corona virus when people are looking at buying medicines from India. He said whenever there's been a challenge, India has risen to it. So I think there's a lot of hope this time. It is true. In the past also, the Prime Minister has promised a lot of things. He has not delivered. So we need to be careful. But I think that what's important this time is that the government realizes there's a real problem. The Prime Minister, the Finance Minister, all top ministers have been in a huddle for many months. So let's hope for the best this time around. Thank you.